Welcome to Panca Budi School Fest Volume 3, the most spectacular annual event filled with excitement, creativity, and school pride. A grand celebration where young talents rise, ideas shine, and every heartbeat echoes with passion.
I can lift you up. I can show you what you want to see and take you where you want to be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I can feel your cup. You know my river.
Dengan mengucapkan Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 3, 2, 1.
Kami berharap kegiatan ini tidak hanya menjadi ajang kompetisi, tetapi juga menjadi ruang untuk berteman, bersilaturahmi, belajar, dan berkontribusi bagi Indonesia yang lebih baik.
Tempat di mana impian terbentuk. Pantunnya, dari barat terdengar guntur.
Cakep.
Rumput panjang harus dicukur.
Cakep.
Para peserta PSF akan terbentur, namun semangat kita tak pernah luntur.
This year's festival brings together the best of competition and creativity. From the brilliance of the Science Olympiad to the elegance of traditional Nusantara dance, from the thrilling Mobile Legends battles to the sweet melodies of singing performances, bright colors come alive through drawing and coloring. Words inspire through speech and storytelling, and energy bursts across the field in the futsal arena. Every moment at Panca Budi School Fest Volume 3 is more than a contest. It's a journey of talent, teamwork, and unforgettable memories. Beyond the stage and the field, the spirit of togetherness shines brightest. Friends, teachers, and families gather to share laughter, stories, and smiles. The air is filled with joy and the delicious aroma of the food bazaar. From local delights to creative treats, every bite adds flavor to the celebration. Because here at Panca Budi, it's not just about winning. It's about celebrating unity, friendship, and the joy of being together. Panca Budi School Fest Volume 3, a spectacular celebration of passion, creativity, and unity. See you at the next festival, where greatness begins.